Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and we're here at the Masterson's Car Care factory store in Anaheim, California with our brand new project car. You guys asked for it. We wanted to see a car start to finish, full detail, so we picked up the most hated BMW of all time, the BMW E60 5 Series. We picked this up used. This thing is full luxury, and it even has the 6-speed manual transmission. We wanted to get something with a manual transmission. We're all about saving the manuals, so we picked this up. Now on the internet, on all the forums and Facebook, Reddit, everywhere, you guys say that this is the ugliest BMW ever made, the most hated BMW as well. Before this was made was the E39 5 Series. That was the legendary 5 Series, and then BMW released this. This car is now used, but they're truly amazing, so we're gonna do a start to finish detail on this whole entire car. It has a 6-speed manual, a luxury leather interior, and a full car ready for us to detail. So we're gonna do everything on it. So we're gonna show you guys this new project. Follow us on our Instagram, our Facebook, and our YouTube. Remember, subscribe to this channel because we're gonna get started doing a full detail from start to finish on this bad boy. Now remember, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube channel for more details on our E60 project. We're gonna get filming on this. Subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And we gotta get to work. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.